Looking for the best travel steamers for clothes to keep your outfits wrinkle-free on the go? Then this video is for you. We've selected some of the best travel steamers that offer fast heat-up times, powerful steam performance, and compact designs perfect for business trips, vacations, and everyday travel. Whether you need a lightweight handheld steamer or a versatile 2-in-1 steamer and iron, you'll find a great option in this list. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Travel Gear Hub and hit the notification bell so you never miss travel gear reviews, packing tips, and the best travel product deals. And be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Now, let's dive right in. Number 1. Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. Traveling with wrinkled clothes can be frustrating, but the Jack & Rose Travel Steamer makes it easy to stay looking sharp. This compact 2-in-1 steamer and iron heats up in just 15 seconds, helping you refresh shirts, dresses, and pants in no time. The ceramic heat panel glides smoothly across fabrics while helping protect delicate materials. Its lightweight, travel-friendly design fits easily into luggage, backpacks, or carry-on bags. With dual voltage support from 100 to 220 volts, it works in many countries, making it a great choice for international travelers who want quick and reliable wrinkle removal wherever they go. Number 2. Conair Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer. The Conair Extreme Steam Handheld Steamer is designed to make garment care fast and convenient. With powerful 1200-watt performance, it heats up quickly and delivers strong steam to remove wrinkles from clothing with ease. The comfortable handheld design makes it simple to maneuver around shirts, suits, dresses, and other fabrics. Its portable build allows for easy storage at home or packing for travel. The water tank is easy to refill, and the steady steam output helps freshen fabrics while reducing wrinkles. Whether you're getting ready for work, a special event, or a trip, this steamer helps keep clothes looking clean and polished. Number 3. Butyral Portable Clothes Steamer. If you need a lightweight and easy-to-use garment steamer, the Butyral Portable Clothes Steamer is worth considering. It heats up in only 30 seconds, helping you smooth wrinkles quickly before heading out the door. The foldable design makes it especially convenient for travel, allowing it to fit neatly into luggage or small storage spaces. It works well on a variety of fabrics and helps refresh clothing without the need for an ironing board. Its handheld design offers comfortable operation, making daily garment care simple and efficient. For home use or travel within the United States, it delivers reliable wrinkle-removing performance. Number 4. Bear Handheld Clothes Steamer. The Bear Handheld Clothes Steamer combines strong performance with practical features for everyday garment care. Powered by 1,300 watts, it produces powerful steam that helps remove wrinkles quickly from shirts, pants, dresses, and more. The generous 230-milliliter water tank provides longer steaming sessions with fewer refills. Safety is enhanced with an automatic shutoff feature, while the included fabric brush helps remove lint and dust for a fresher appearance. Despite its powerful performance, the steamer remains portable enough for travel and convenient storage. It's a versatile option for anyone looking to maintain wrinkle-free clothes at home or on the go. Number 5. OG Aham Portable Clothes Steamer. The OG Aham Portable Clothes Steamer offers a simple and effective way to keep clothing looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold, while the 240-milliliter water tank provides enough capacity to steam several garments before needing a refill. The steamer heats up quickly and works on a wide range of fabrics, making it useful for shirts, dresses, pants, and delicate materials. Its compact size is ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, and travel. Easy operation and dependable performance make this steamer a practical choice for busy mornings when you need clothes looking neat in minutes. Number 6. DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer and Iron. The DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer and Iron is a great solution for anyone who wants wrinkle-free clothes without carrying a bulky iron. This compact handheld device heats up in only 15 seconds, making it perfect for busy mornings and last-minute touch-ups. The large ceramic heat panel glides smoothly across fabrics and helps remove wrinkles quickly and evenly. Its lightweight, travel-friendly design fits easily into luggage, backpacks, or carry-on bags. Whether you're preparing for work, a business trip, or a special event, this versatile steamer and iron combination helps keep your clothing fresh, neat, and ready to wear wherever you go. Number 7. OG Home Portable Handheld Steamer.
The OG Home Portable Handheld Steamer offers a simple and convenient way to keep your clothes looking their best. Its powerful steam penetrates fabric effectively, helping remove wrinkles from shirts, dresses, suits, and other garments in just minutes. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, while the compact size fits easily into travel bags and suitcases. It heats up quickly and requires only tap water, making daily garment care effortless. Ideal for home, office, or travel use, this steamer helps freshen clothing before important meetings, events, or vacations, while saving time compared to traditional ironing methods. Number 8. Hortigrace Travel Steamer. The Hortigrace Travel Steamer combines steaming and ironing functions into one compact device designed for convenience. Powered by a fast-heating 1200-watt system, it quickly removes wrinkles and refreshes garments with minimal effort. The large ceramic heat panel covers more fabric in each pass, helping you finish faster. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry during business trips, vacations, or hotel stays. Whether you're preparing a dress shirt, blouse, or pair of pants, this portable steamer helps keep clothes looking polished and professional. It's an excellent travel companion for anyone who values convenience and wrinkle-free clothing.
Number 9. Jack & Rose Travel Steamer Iron. The Jack & Rose Travel Steamer Iron is designed for travelers who want professional-looking clothes wherever they go. With an ultra-fast 8-second heat-up time, this compact handheld unit helps eliminate wrinkles quickly and efficiently. The large ceramic heat panel glides smoothly over fabric, providing even heat distribution while protecting delicate materials. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to pack in luggage, backpacks, or carry-on bags. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, wedding, or vacation, this travel steamer iron helps refresh garments in minutes, making your clothing look clean, smooth, and ready for any occasion. Number 10. OG Home Travel Steamer and Iron. The OG Home Travel Steamer and Iron is a versatile 2-in-1 garment care solution built for both home and international travel. Featuring dual voltage compatibility from 110 to 240 volts, it works in many countries around the world. The powerful 1,000-watt system heats up in only 30 seconds and delivers steady steam to smooth wrinkles quickly. With dry mode and 2 steam settings, it adapts easily to different fabric types. Its compact size fits neatly into travel bags while providing reliable performance wherever you go. This portable steamer keeps clothes looking fresh, polished, and ready for any event. Thanks for watching today's top travel picks from Travel Gear Hub. If you love discovering smart travel gear that makes your trips easier and more enjoyable, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out on the best travel deals. Got a question or want to see a specific travel product reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, stay inspired, and enjoy every journey.